Alright folks, as promised, this is another video for the unboxing of this OnePlus Buds Pro 2. I'm Yaken from Trend Ground, by the way. Okay, so let's start off with the unboxing. Okay, we are going to cut out the plastic here. Okay, cool. I think we have done a proper cutting. Okay, so let's pull it out. So you are greeted with Buds for Life over here. I think there are some paperwork for you, and here it is. Do we get anything at the bottom? Oh, we get some cool accessories. You can change your earbuds tips as well. What accessories are we getting? Let's check out. So you get also a proprietary OnePlus USB Type-C cable as well inside here. Cool, nice. Alright, so let's just open this up. Cool. Wow, nice. And this is it, the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 unboxing. Okay folks, so here it is, the earbuds themselves. Okay, yeah, I would have to say it's solidly built. So you definitely also saw the logo over here, so you know the assumption what it has to deliver for the users. Okay, yeah, so expect amazing sound audio from this OnePlus Buds Pro 2, and also right now it's available in this arbor green as well. I think the color is really splendid. Okay, so if you are going to get the OnePlus 11 in the eternal green and combo up with this, I think it's a fantastic combination color. Yep, so that's the earbuds, and let's resume back. Okay, so wait for the full review video that should be coming out on the 7th as well, if I could make it on time. If not, it will be uploaded to another slightly later date. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm Yaken from Trend Ground. Hopefully you guys love the unboxing video, and do stay tuned for the full review video. Okay,